who knows my other videos about the gear I take with me knows that I try to minimize the weight as much as possible. But if you don't count every gram, this thing can bring you a lot of luxury in a quite compact size. Who hasn't seen this? This is the Scotty grill. They sent this to me last month and I had some time to test it. It's actually a really compact barbecue, but the really cool thing about it, it's not just for wood and for coal, charcoal, you can use it with gas cartridges. And before I show you how easy it is to put up this barbecue, don't hesitate to push the subscribe button. If you like this video, push the thumbs up, and if you don't like it, feel free to push the thumbs down twice. All right, so let's put this thing together. It's really ridiculously easy. Take the two side parts, or the front and the side part. I've got this little triangle here. You just have to put them together. The other side part, then the floor. And now you can put the heating pipe in there, the heat shield, and the last side wall. And after we stick those together, it's already quite rigid, nearly done. We need the gas hose. So now we can use the little gas can, or the bigger gas can. It depends on what you prefer, and it's important that we've got these with the little screw adapter. And you can actually use every gas can you want to. We've got these Primus, are the original from Scotty, and there are lots of manufacturers. The good thing about this is you can use a really big one. This one with 500 gram already lasted 2.5 hours. I think this small one would do it for half an hour until it's empty. But you can buy them at every gas station, so if you don't want to take a lot of gas with you, I think that shouldn't be a problem. Scotty has also sent me the two boxes. One is 2.5 and the other one is 1 litre. A really nice thing about this is you can use it to store your food. You've got this vacuum sealing, but you can take it out just by pulling it out. And if you do that, you can use the box on the barbecue as a kind of oven. You just have to dial down the heat and you can make some bread in there, or just boil some soup and use it with this little handle as a pan. That's really nice. With a price tag of 159 euros, this is the budget option, and it's quite heavy with its 3 kilos, but it's absolutely worth it. It's made of a really high quality stainless steel, and you can feel how well it is manufactured. And something I really appreciate is that you can put it into the dishwasher. Well, nearly the whole barbecue, except from the gas can, the gas hose, and the burning rod. Everything else, even the bag, can be put into the dishwasher, so you don't have to worry about cleaning. Packed together, the whole bag with the Scotty grill, with the barbecue, is just that big that it fits perfectly into a side pannier, and if you don't have any pannier, it fits into a normal backpack. It's actually the same size as my laptop, so I think you can put it into every laptop compartment in your backpack. Okay, I'm going to put the link of the barbecue down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and push the thumbs up button. Comment down below if you like the English version of the video. I'm actually not sure how many of you out there see the videos in English and how many people see it in German. That's why this video is made in both languages. If you comment down below, I know you like it, and I'm gonna put a few more out in English. See you next time. Bye.